Where are we in the U.S. economy right now?
The economy still seems like it's doing pretty well. I can understand why the president would love to see, and I would love to see, a full point cut by the Fed. I don't think it's coming. I think eventually we're going to get one or two.
Why are we cutting rates? If the economy is doing so great, so we got to cut rates to help the economy. Why should we be cutting interest rates right now, do you think?
Because we've got so many unsold homes. We're not, I mean, we already were up against it, Connell, because of the people that refinanced at 2% or even, you know, some even lower than that. They can't move out of those homes because they can't take the mortgage with them. So a lot of homes are stacking up pretty seriously right now. They're unaffordable for most Americans.
That's a huge problem. But wouldn't we be dealing with inflation again, like go crazy or back through the roof if that happened, you know?
Well, I don't think a quarter point cut would signal that the Fed was so willing to just give away free money like we were doing in 2020 and 2021, and then holding those rates at zero as long as they did. I think when you look at the construction industry, it is the largest employer in America. When you look at all of the different levers that they pull, everything from the Home Depots and Menards and Lowe's to the people swinging hammers and so forth on job sites. Those have been practically idle because of the idea that you don't have affordability right now because interest rates are so much higher than they were. Now, I don't know that we need it to really get the economy going. I know that in order to get people moved into some of these homes, we need a lower interest rate. And that, I think, is what the president, who's so versed in real estate, is probably looking at. Not the actual job market, but people moving into homes and all the things that move because of that.
And generally speaking, affordability is just a huge topic in this country right now politically. Like they had a big debate the other night for mayor here in New York City that was all about affordability. Nobody can afford things, and homes are, you bring up very, very fair and good points. Thank you, John, as always, John Najarian.